Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can connect Printful to your Etsy store. It's quite easy and straightforward and it will take you a couple of minutes, right? So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to go to etsy.com and log into your account if you haven't already, and also you need to have a shop. So if you don't have a shop, you just need to press on your account, and here on the bottom you should see sell on Etsy. So first you need to create a shop. And once you have a shop, then you need to go to Printful and log in or sign up to Printful. And once you have an account and you're logged in, then on the top right corner you should see your profile icon here with your name. So press on that and then press on to go to dashboard. And once you are on the back end of the Printful here, on the left side you should see a menu, and here you should click on stores. And once you're here, as you can see here, I connected my Etsy store here, but for you just need to press on choose platform and then select Etsy and press connect, and then press connect to Etsy, and then basically, as you can see here, you need to press allow access and you will be connected, and your Etsy shop will be connected to Printful, right? So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.